Looking for a quick dinner that's packed with flavor but doesn't require hours in the kitchen? Today we're making easy garlic butter shrimp, juicy shrimp cooked in a rich, buttery sauce with fresh lemon and herbs. This recipe is incredibly simple, but the flavor is restaurant quality and comes together in one skillet. You can serve these over rice, pasta, or just enjoy them with warm crusty bread for a perfect weeknight meal. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of large shrimp, butter, fresh garlic, olive oil, and some basic seasonings. I highly recommend using freshly minced garlic because it gives the sauce a much stronger and more delicious flavor. We'll also use salt, black pepper, paprika, and a few red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. Start by cleaning and deveining your shrimp, then pat them completely dry with paper towels to ensure a good sear. Season the shrimp lightly with salt, pepper, and paprika, giving them a gentle toss to coat all sides. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat with a bit of olive oil and half of the butter. Once the butter is foamy and sizzling, carefully place the shrimp in a single layer so they cook evenly. Cook them for just a couple of minutes on each side until they turn pink and slightly golden around the edges. Remove the shrimp from the pan once they're opaque, we don't want them to get tough or rubbery. Now, reduce the heat to medium and melt the remaining butter to start our signature garlic sauce. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until it's fragrant and lightly golden, being careful not to burn it. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors and cut through the richness of the butter. Return the cooked shrimp to the skillet and toss them gently until every piece is coated in that liquid gold. Sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley over the top for a final burst of color and freshness. The best part is dipping warm, crusty bread into the leftover garlic butter sauce. It's absolutely addictive. Remember the golden rule: don't overcook the shrimp, as they only need a few minutes to reach perfection. If you enjoyed this easy meal, please like and subscribe for more homemade recipe ideas. Let us know in the comments how you'd serve yours, with rice, pasta, or extra bread. Thanks for watching.